Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to know who is online on Instagram. So really you don't do it so you won't have any list like in Facebook or in chats like WhatsApp or Telegram. So also if person just also no person could set their privacy to private and you won't see any time last seen time or online status on Instagram. So also if person don't didn't restrict viewing activity status on Instagram, so you also find it in just tap in Instagram and just open chat with this person, direct messages, and also in direct messages you will find so time when this person was online last seen and active status online or offline. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.